So, welcome back to my Welsh Farmhouse project. Very, very exciting stuff to show you this time. Just take a quick look. Yeah, amazing, right? Anyway, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's take a look. If you remember, I'm renovating this beautiful old 16th century farmhouse in Wales, and it's quite a job. It's taken a little longer than we anticipated, but it is looking amazing. That's all that matters. So let's take a look inside. All very exciting. So no changes to the entrance hall, but then into the kitchen, and what about this? Absolutely amazing. I am really surprised about how much bigger it looks. I mean, that sounds bizarre, but I've put more stuff in here. We've got, you know, this side unit, so there's a storage space there, and then we've got this stretch along here with a built-in oven and a microwave. And then the sink, looking really lovely. Went for a porcelain sink because I thought that was very much in keeping with the old style taps. Bear in mind, don't remember, I got this whole kitchen off eBay. It was somebody taking it out, but it was a really nicely made sort of hand-built kitchen. So, you know, all inside really nicely manufactured and everything, and it just well, you know, luckily my builder is a carpenter, so he's managed to make everything sort of fit. And I went for this wooden work surface just to try and sort of match in with the island unit, which was already here, and it does, and I just think it really gives it that feel. Now it isn't necessarily a farmhouse feel. Well, I don't know. I mean, what makes a farmhouse big? I guess a big Aga or something like that. But still, I don't care. I really, really like it. And most importantly, just look at the floor. I mean, I wasn't sure about the floor. Remember, it had those tiles, those quarry tiles before, and now I've gone for this. It is actually porcelain, but it's got hollow. I did have a build about that. Sounds a bit hollow. Should sound hollow. Anyway, la-di-da. So yeah, but it works really well, and I think it still keeps the character. I mean, I was hoping to be able to put down the old flagstone floor, or just reveal the old flagstone floor, but that turned out not to be practical, so that's not going to happen. So kitchen, absolutely amazing. What I did go for was this underfloor heating. So basically, yeah, the whole of the thing has got electric underfloor heating underneath it. So it will hopefully make this room, which was actually quite a cold room, a lot warmer. Things like the fact describing the units, so they've been fitted around the old beams, so they all fit in. Yeah, I mean, the kitchen is, well, I'm really, really delighted with it. Absolutely spectacular, and it just all sort of works. And as I said, strangely, it actually feels bigger than it did. So through into the living room, and nothing much changes here other than a bit of painting. But then this room here, if you remember, this was the old bathroom. Let's just take a look at how it used to look. That was the only bathroom in the property, and now going to convert this into like a utility room. So along here have a load of well, the washing machine and the dryer and a work surface and a Belfast sink there. And then this area here, just bearing in mind that people will hopefully, you know, thinking about the end use very much, and this is going to be a sort of outdoorsy, pursuity kind of place. People come through the back door there, maybe they've been mountain biking, maybe they've been walking, and then they're going to build a bench in this area here, usually some of the wood left over from the kitchen. So you'll be able to sit down here and take off your boots, and then somewhere to store your coats and everything in there. So really pleased with this. I mean, it's a very practical area. And of course, the floor, went for these sort of fake wooden looking tiles, which I think look really, really lovely. So I'm really pleased with that. Not much changes in there other than it's having its first coat of paint. Wherever. Obviously there's had to be a major rewire. Now thinking about downstairs, it's the downstairs loo, and this works really well. This corner shower in there, and then the bath, rather than the toilet's obviously going to be in that area there. Much more sensible than the way it was with the shower in that horrible situation there. Just like I can remember what that looked like. Yeah, pretty horrible. So this is what it looks like now, and obviously that'd be really nice when that's all sorted out. Again, following on this theme, I'm going for these white and cream tiles, sort of mixed. I think it works really well. So then upstairs, obviously had to completely redo the electrics, so they've all got now the what they're called, I can't remember, MCBs. They've all got individual little fuses on them, which is really good. So then upstairs, you now see this room stripped, the wallpaper stripped back, but then with the lights on in here. And you know, I mean, what can I say? I mean, how utterly gorgeous is this room? You know, you think about what it was like before with the low ceilings and everything, and this little ensuite bathroom, which, you know, okay, so it's not massive, but at least it is an ensuite to this bedroom. Really thought about this, whether to, in fact, to even bother to do this, but pleased we did. It's good that this bedroom here, which is, you know, one of the master bedrooms, so we've probably got 2 master bedrooms, has its own loo. Through here, got rid of the horrible Artex off the ceilings, so that's all now nicely smoothly plastered. I think this was done last time, but this really works really well. This is the master bathroom with a big corner shower in there, and then this little unit with the 2 basins on it and the sink, which we've reclaimed from downstairs. I was worried how this room would work out, but actually it's pretty good. Bear in mind that both the bedrooms here have got their own bathrooms. There's a bathroom downstairs and more bathrooms you can shake a stick at. So this one's really just for the 2 bedrooms down the corridor there. And then to finish off, through into what I suppose is the master bedroom. I don't know, I mean, just revealing these walls on the end, and revealing the A-frame. I mean, it is just amazing. I mean, you know, I mean, just remind ourselves what this room looked like, right? And how it looks now. I mean, wow. Love it, absolutely love it. Love the fact we're revealing the natural stonework up there, and then we've got this thing. If you remember, I was debating quite a lot whether or not I actually build the ensuite in here, but we've gone for all these funny angles and kept the bits of wood. So you've got a bit of wood there, you've got another bit of wood running across there, and it just all adds to the sort of quirky nature of the whole thing, which I absolutely love. And then the bathroom itself, well, you can see it's got this beam going across here. You know, the corner shower again, a really nice usable space, enough room for a reasonable sized sink unit there, and the shower. So I'm just going to show you this. Slight little modification required. Unfortunately, the shower screen went a bit too high, so I've had to do a little bit of a I suppose you could have got the boards job there, but anyway, la-di-da, not to worry. So all in all, I mean, spectacular. It is taking, it has to be said, a lot longer than we thought. We're now probably, yeah, a month behind at least, and there's a lot of work still to do. But the most important thing is it's looking amazing, and I hope you agree. Slow process, but worth the effort. So we'll be back with another update in a few weeks' time. But in the meantime, like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, we'll be back with more renovations, real renovations of this beautiful Welsh farmhouse.